How do I get my 2 able-bodied boys up and helping me around the house?
Okay, you have 2 options, sweetheart. You can either put them up for adoption. You can put them to the, where the child welfare services? Where they put the bad children. What's that place where they what is that?
Juvenile delinquency.
You can send them to juvenile. Okay, I tell you what. Go in the closet. Pull out the flyest thing they got. It's some, kids got certain things that they like.
Boxers and T-shirts.
Something on the
I'm
outside.
serious.
Is that what I mean?
I mean, this summer, that's...
Pull them, put them in a box. Box them up. They want to look good. They think they're pretty. They smelling themselves. Pull their stuff.
Okay, so what about
Give them
though,
some
when
holy T-shirts. Give them some holy drawers. Find some shoes with some holes in it. Now tell them all this can change if they just do what you tell them to do.
I don't want them to sit there and go, Mama, please, I'll do better. And they wear me out, and I'm just like, go, just to get them out of my hair.
Well, you need to stop it. Be a woman and man up.